Hello guys, this is Watch Hobby, and today I'm took out one of my Seiko Presage watches from my collection, and this is the Seiko Presage SARW025, or there's another reference for it, SPB041. Now this is a made in Japan model, so this is so you would see at the bottom here, made in Japan, as well as somewhere right at the bottom there, small print, made in Japan. So this has a power reserve and a subdial date, which I think is a bit redundant if you ask me, because it doesn't move at all for the whole day. As you know, it's a date indicator, so I'm not sure what is the purpose of this. It does look a bit iffy. I don't know why they want to do that, but I do appreciate the power reserve indicator, as you can see there. So as far as font is concerned, historical style font, leather strap, butterfly clasp, nice leather, display case back. You can see, we get into focus, golden letterings in the roto itself. Very nice. Simple watch, doesn't do much. As I said, and this is one thing I couldn't appreciate. I would have discarded the date subdial. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Do give it a thumbs up. Do follow the channel. More reviews coming up. Thank you for now. Bye bye.